Playing your game of finding the best detailing products on the market takes time, effort and money, especially at the beginning of your own detailing journey when you caught yourself spending an absolute ballload of money just to try more and more to level up your game. This addictive process must give you enjoyment, so I'm not gonna kill the vibe by saying stop chasing your goal of finding the best. In fact, showing you a way that you need to discover, things you need to watch out for if you purchase the products, and finally, creating an awesome kit for 3 different budgets. becauseracecarbox gives you several options to fulfill your needs with great variety, big brands, and products for less than the price of a cup of coffee. First and foremost, their store doesn't just offer a detailing-based subscription box as you might know them. In fact, their main idea of fulfilling a car care enthusiast's needs has constantly developed in the past 5 years. Started selling individual product samples with detailing accessories in 2020, which has been one of their biggest moments. When you do the math, a price per wash kind of logic might not work out well, but the fact that you can try like 3 to 4 different products while paying the same price as one normal sized bottle is make it worse. Furthermore, if you are the kind of person who always look for the best bang for your buck, plus you love to get great value all year round, then their clearance section is the best place to start at. And as you can see, many hidden gems for prices that are extremely hard to be beaten by any other retailers on the market. What other samples you can find depends on browsing between categories like snow foams, shampoos, decontamination, etc. You see products from brands like Auto Bright, Auto Glance, Carcam, Detailed Online, Dodo Juice, Dual, Go Detailing, Gion, Infinity Wax, KKD, and Juicy Details, just to name a few, and there are definitely more to discover on your own. Some brands obviously have less, while others have more sample bottles depending on the brand's range in the store of becauseracecarbox. Although, worth to mention, a sample-sized bottle is a unique form that needs special agreement from the brands to sell, and this is the reason why you hardly find detailer stores are stocking them. Also, a very important note to consider, always check the manufacturer page for recommended usage, hence, the sample kits are in smaller bottles with different caps and trigger heads, but the instructions on their labels are often the same as the normal size products. For example, use 3 to 4 capfuls or 2 to 3 mists, but as the caps and trigger heads are smaller, you can misuse these products, which can leave you with a bad user experience. So, please remember for this piece of advice, always double check the manufacturer webpage for the best user experience. You have seen detailing samples, brands, but that's by far not the end. Full range of detailing accessories started with all sizes of microfibers, drying towels, wash pads, brushes, whatever you need, it's pretty much covered here, and you often get awesome deals as well. Do you want to play even bigger? Well, these bulk products here for you, not to mention the exclusive discounts for traders. Do you feel these are too much to choose from? Well, that's when detailing subscription boxes with great value comes playing a part. Each month's box contains carefully selected products that always built around the scheme, like August box is being interior edition loaded with all goodness in this category. Another example, May's box has been a ceramic edition with all products related to that. Subscription boxes are available for discounted monthly price or with bigger savings for long term, but if you only fancy for the freedom of one-off box, you can do that as well, no problem. My latest video was all about a designer car perfume, but if that didn't cut the mustard for you, becauseracecarbox offers many traditional options on this field too. Plus, of course, air freshener boxes for the real scent discoverers. Now, let's create an awesome kit for 3 different budgets. Starting with the wheels, dilutable wheel cleaner from Infinity Wax, the famous rebound tire cleaner from Auto Glance, plus one of my personal favorite dressing, Tire Coat 2.0, again from Infinity Wax. For pre-wash, 200ml Cartec Twister Comfort Snow Foam, a highly concentrated product that is versatile enough to use with a lens as well as a pump sprayer, and can be diluted up to 1 to 25 for the price of 2.24. Next step is Wax Planet Lava for Contact Wash, a shampoo with 1 to 1500 dilution ratio, so this tiny bottle gives you at least 7 washes for a price of $2.49. We arrived at the line of the first budget where you have a basic wash kit for only 10 quid. Moving towards with decontamination, Dual Auto Care Blackjack Tar and Glue Remover, followed up with an absolute bargain with a 250ml Iron and Fallout Remover from Go Detailing. Choosing protection on paintwork is always is a personal preference, but thinking about versatility plus great value for money, that equals with Graphene QDX from Infinity Wax. Nonetheless, another category that I'm a big fan of is glass sealants, especially hybrid glass cleaners. Them offer cleaning and protection all in one go. For the sake of math, here is Juicy Details Rain 8 and the line of a protection kit for 20 quid. Let's say you can stretch further and need equipment. Start with these 3-in-1 brushes for covering all usage, another one for cleaning the tires as well, plus don't forget the applicator for dressings either. At least one channel wash mitt for safer contact wash, 1200 GSM hybrid drying towel, and add a few basic towels for spreading, buffing and cleaning glass. Yes, this extended wash kit with accessories more than double the price of the previous budget, but let's be honest, you might not need them. Talking about different budgets and savings, first, you can sign up to receive regular discounts. Second, be their monthly subscriber for continuous discounts in the VIP section. And third, of course, check out the links in description below and see what's out there. This isn't a sponsored video by any means, and if you follow my journey since I started, you know that I really fell in love what becauseracecarbox offers to car care enthusiasts, because I believe this can work out pretty good for anyone who wants to discover more but wants to pay less for detailing products. See you next over here. Happy cleaning!